guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So again, kung bago lang kayo dito sa channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na meron ako video upload dito sa What's in a Box. Let's get started! So hey guys, meron tayong Louis Vuitton dito at i-unbox natin at talagang napakaganda nitong Louis Vuitton and medyo mahal din talaga, but again it's worth it na itong Louis Vuitton na mga wallets. So again, just the case itself, talagang napakaganda ng case niya and so hard. Yan. And wow, napakaganda. Kahit yung mga boxes nila, napakaganda. Dang, yung pouch nila. Yan. There you go. So talagang napakaganda ng Louis Vuitton. I'm so fanatic with Louis Vuitton. I have an LV wallet, maybe 7, 8 years old already. Pero still in good condition. And again guys, I bought this one like long time ago. I bought this Louis Vuitton wallet and it's really good. I think the price is still here. And I don't know. Okay, no, I don't have it. But again, this wallet is about 400 plus. When I bought this one here, when I bought this one before, talagang napakaganda dahil you can put your cards here. Lagay mo yung cards dito sa taas, and again, or lagay mo yung cards dito. Meron siyang 3 slots, and then meron siyang you can put your paper money here. So it's good wallet. It's the quality of Louis Vuitton, talagang napakaganda. And Louis Vuitton, it's made in Spain, and talagang napakaganda ng quality ng Louis Vuitton. Mahal siya, but it's worth it. For me, talagang matibay ang Louis Vuitton. Yes, there you go. Napakaganda ng texture ng Louis Vuitton talaga. Yes. Beautiful. Yeah. Ganda siya. Ilagay sa bulsa or sa lagay mo sa bulsa kung sakto lang yung laki niya. Talagang tapos ito yung embroidery ba tawag nito? Or ito yung parang logo ng LV. Yan, napakaganda. Napakaganda ng nito. I forgot. I think this is 650 I think or 450. Hindi ako sure. Kalimutan ko yung price nito. Kung magkano na to. But it's beautiful wallet, guys. For men's, this is a unisex wallet. You can use for men's and women. Nice. So again guys, ito yung aking Louis Vuitton na wallet. Napaganda siya. The only problem on this is yung dito lang sa ano na to. Yung parang dulo lang. But again, this is already old. But meron pa rin siyang pangalan dito sa, hindi pa rin natanggal yung pangalan niya dito sa wallet na to. And napakaganda yung wallet ng LV. Talagang sulit. And I got this one for about 7 or 8 years old already. Itong wallet na to. But talagang napaka sulit pa rin. At napakaganda pa rin ng wallet na to. So, everyday ko na ginagamit ito. At so far, and I went to LB kasi Dahil matanda na rin to, dapat sana ipafix ko to. Sabi ko, wag na lang. Bilhin lang ako ng bago. But again, still okay pa naman. Maliit lang naman siya na problema dito sa ilalim. But yeah, it's beautiful, nice. I love it. Ito lang, hindi ko pa nagamit talaga. Dahil nga sa, meron pa naman kasi akong wallet dito. Kaya sabi ko, what's the point na, I don't know kung bakit bili lang ng bili. Tapos hindi na wala gamit. But, ayan. So there you go, guys. So, I'm done with my unboxing with my Louis Vuitton wallet. It's nice, and the quality of the wallet, it's really good. And again, the price is right. And what you get is what you pay. So, it's expensive because look at my other wallet. It's still alive for 7-8 years old. Compare with, this one, it's not yet used. So, but again, guys, I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing on my Louis Vuitton. And again, thank you so much again for watching, and I hope we'll see you again next time.